nakabili pala.
Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go crazy.
Go stupid. You smart like an A+ student. Right now, looking for your love right now.
What's up mga kakulits? It's me, Baste, your cool buddy. So for today's video, inihintay ko muna yung daddy ko kasi may hinihintay ako. Kasi chinat ko siya, may pinabili ako sa work nila. Hahanap daw siya. Ewan ka lang kung nakabili siya. Sabi niya kasi hanap po ako. Sabi niya. So hanap, tingnan natin. Hintayin na lang natin siya for a little bit. Para hintayin natin siya. Ayan, nandito na siya. Dito na.
Wala, hindi yung nabili. Yeah.
Anak, hindi kayo nag-aral sa AP? Ano pinag-aralan mo po sa AP?
Miss, di pala ako nabili. Pero ano to? Ano kaya to? Ewan natin. Oh, guys! Ano? Di, nakabili ka. Nakabili pala. Pokemon cards! Ang dami! Ito pa. Saka ito. Yu-Gi-Oh! Wala! Ang dami! Ito pa! Wala, ang galing! Ang dami! Ang dami nito, guys! Ito pa, oh! Kakaiba! So, unlock na natin siya isa-isa. Diya! Unlock na muna natin yung dalawa. May iba. Ito muna. Open natin muna to. This. And this. I-open ko. Later na to isa. Ito muna. Ooh. Open natin siya. Ooh, Pokemon cards. Ooh, Pokemon cards. Ganda. Yung si Eevee. Ang ganda nila. Dami nila. Ito pa isa. Ito naman isa. Okay, tignan muna natin. May ano isa. Absol, Kyogre, Eevee, Togedemaru, Sandslash, Cosmoem, Cradily, Energy. Uy, trainer to ah. Kakaiba to ah. Trainer to. This is a trainer, so kakaiba siya. Hindi ko mabasa yung pangalan niya. Vaporeon. Ursaring. I got Pikachu! Oh my gosh, I can't believe it, guys. I just got Pikachu. I got Pikachu. I can't believe. What? I think this is not, because look, Volt Tackle, it does 10 damage to itself. So it's not really rare. But in the movies, it's really good. But in here, Sandshrew, Satu, I can't read this. Oh, another energy. What? Is this a trainer? Tag call? Comment down below if this is a trainer or not, because it says it's a trainer. Tag call. Wow. Walrein. Bravo. What? Jolteon. What? Can't even read this. And this. Dearly. And another trainer. And another energy. Oh my gosh. Why is there so many? How many? Wait, this is not a trainer. This is not a trainer. Dearling. So energy and then trainer. So there is street trainer. I can read this one. Tag call and ends resolve. Ends resolve. Now let's unbox another one. Let's put this back. Pokemon cards. Can't actually believe that Daddy bought me this. I thought there was nothing. Well, how do I put this back? Oh, right there. What's that? This one. And now this one. This is what's this? Is this an elephant? Let's unbox this other one. It's like an elephant. It's like an elephant. Let's unbox. What? How did I got also this one? Why did I also got this one from the other one? Did you remember this? It's Togedemaru. Do you remember this? It has lightning. Its tails is like Pikachu. See that? It's like Pikachu's tail. Sand Slash again. Oh my gosh. This one again? And this one again? Oh, energy. It's an energy. What? I didn't got this. It's Roxy, the trainer. Another trainer. This one again. And this one again. Pikachu again! Oh my gosh, Pikachu again! This one again. This one again. This one again. Not this. This is an energy. And what? Is this a trainer? Great catcher? Is this a trainer even? This great. Did I get this from the other one? Walrein. Oh yeah, I think I got it from the other one. This one. I didn't got this earlier, but I got this earlier. And this one too. I got this also earlier, but I didn't got this earlier. This was the last item. This was the last Pokemon in here. It is Dearling. Did you remember this one? The Dearling? Oh, the energy fell. Energy fell. So I just got it. This one, the energy again. Oh, I didn't got this from earlier. The trainer. Oh, I got this from earlier again. Kyogre. Oh. Got it. Didn't fall. Just a little. Eevee again. Got Eevee from earlier. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I think this is good. How many are there in one box? So I changed my mind and unboxed the new ones. I think I want the Yu-Gi-Oh because I haven't had this. Let's check out the Yu-Gi-Oh. I changed my mind to unbox it. What? It's different. What? It's different from the Pokemon one. I think this is useless. I just think this is not for trading. Yeah, this is not for trading. This is probably like this. It's just like that. Some heroes. But this one is useless. Yeah, this one is useless. So, you know that, guys. Set good. I don't like these. I thought this was good. Thought this was good. Now, so these are the ones that I unboxed. Not that only, also this, that tree. So, Daddy did buy 5, so there's 2 more. Which should I open first? But I think I like these to open first. Yeah, I like these to open first. I like to open these first. Oh. This one again, Kyogre again, Deerling again? Wait, I think I got this earlier. Yeah, I got this from this. I got this trainer from this one. Yes. Why did I got that again? Well, I didn't get this from earlier. And I didn't get this from earlier. Now it's an energy. I didn't get this from earlier. Didn't get this from earlier. I got this from earlier. And I got this from earlier. I got this trainer from earlier. I got this from earlier. What? It's a tag team. They're unstoppable. It has 240 HP because they're a tag team. Tag team. I don't know who is the tag teams. Ooh, this one is good. Now, energy again. I didn't got this from earlier. I didn't got this from earlier. But I got this from earlier. Did I get this from earlier? Why do I always get the trainer from earlier again? I got this trainer again from earlier. Why is this 3 trainers? I have got it earlier in here. They are exact same trainers. Why is it like that? But this one don't have this tag team. This tag team is pretty good because the team, when the one dies, there's still another one. Oh, what's this? I think I got this from, yes, I got this from earlier. Oh, this is good. Got this from earlier. And I got this. This is energy. I didn't get this from earlier. This is an energy. And this, I didn't get this from earlier. But all the trainers, I got it from this. They're like the exact same. It's like cards. It's like the card game. I'll put it back in a box. Let's put it back. No, is it like this? Shouldn't be like this. Should be inside. Oh no! There. Put it back. Put it back. Last one. This one is like, I think it's pretty good because it has gold. The one I'm finding is the gold ticket. It's the gold card. It has a Pokemon on it but I forgot the Pokemon. But the card is gold, so it's rare. Maybe I can get this from here. I can get that. I wish I got that. Please, I want that. I want that so badly. Let's open it. Please be good. Nothing left. Two cards left. Upside down. I did. Whoa! This is all. Oh, but I got this from earlier. All of these I didn't get from earlier, but I got this from earlier and the other one. I will show the one that I got. Did I get this from earlier? I got it from earlier. I got these two from earlier. So I'm done. Then I'm back to all. I more like this one, I think. Yeah. I like this and this. Because this one has a tag team. I don't like the Pikachu. This one is pretty good. I will keep these two. This is what I'm going to play with. And this is the one that I don't like. Because it's just nothing. So I like more of this. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to link the description. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification. Bye. Here's my YouTube channel. And click the subscribe button and the notifications. Bye. See you in the next vlog.